Welcome to VKB Kitchen and Bath, your trusted partner in home transformation across Maryland, Virginia, and Washington, D.C. With over 25 years of experience and more than 10,000 completed projects, we specialize in comprehensive remodeling services, including kitchens, bathrooms, basements, flooring, countertops, and decking. At VKB, remodeling goes beyond construction. It's about bringing your vision to life. Our award-winning designers and skilled craftsmen work closely with you to create spaces that reflect your style and meet your needs. From the initial consultation to the final installation, we guide you through every step of the process, ensuring a seamless and stress-free experience. Experience our innovative approach with a free 3D design consultation, allowing you to visualize your new space before we begin. Contact us at 14105057030 or visit vkbkitchenandbath.com to schedule your appointment. Stay connected with us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube to explore our latest projects and get inspired for your own home transformation. At VKB Kitchen and Bath, we turn your ideas into reality, creating spaces you'll love for years to come.